So this log dolly is a real game changer for hauling these logs out since we can't use equipment. We just took it somewhere close to the middle so that the back end of it's just barely dragging. If that's not slick and easy, I don't know what it is.
It's stupid easy.
Got Robert hauling logs. Got James lemon and cutting to 8-foot lengths down there. And then Mary and I get them loaded on the trailer. Look at this crazy tall timber in here. A couple days ago when Mary and I was up here working, I cut 7 8-foot saw logs out of one tree. Everything we're working on now is fallen. We haven't been doing any felling. All of the dead trees just blow over in the wind, and we've been just getting things cut up that have been already on the ground.
Ready?
So how's this for a nice tree? It hasn't been down very long. The wind blew it down, but there is 8 logs, 8 foot logs in that one. This top one won't make a saw log, but probably the top 2. But there's lots of good firewood in the top end of that. But these long trees, it don't take too many of them to really add up.
to wait a few minutes for James to cut some small ones. He's cut too many big ones. That's great. Water break.
The camera's running.
Yeah. I'm not afraid to take a break in front of the camera. Well, off to the side of the camera.
Just wanted to make sure you didn't say anything through them.
I'm slightly bothered that you'd think that of me.
Don't worry, the innocent won't hear about it until we get back to the range.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know if you guys, any truckers I'm sure would know what this tool is. Years and years ago I picked this up out on the middle of the highway out in western Oklahoma when I was out there, and I drove by going to see a customer in the morning and saw it, and when I was coming back in the afternoon it was still laying there, so I stopped and picked it up. Anyway, really nice tool. I think in today's world most people don't use the flip over boomers, they use the ratchet ones, so it might be out of date, but it's sure a nice tool for me. Okay, job well done today. I got 3 cords on, a couple cords on the trailer and a couple, or just 1 cord in the back of the truck there. Anyway, that log dolly saved us. We started out gathering logs about 50 yards away from the road, and we're worked out to 100 yards now. But there's sure a lot of nice logs laying on the ground back there. It's a good feeling to get them cleaned up before they get rotten or burned up in a forest fire. Anyway, this is one of the reasons I had boys instead of girls. Got 4 boys and they're sure a lot of help. Anyway, thanks for watching.